How to fix Instagram upload issue. So if you have any problem with your Instagram upload, this video is gonna help you a lot. Or what you wanna do guys is go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps. Now when you open the apps, or what you wanna do is scroll until you find Instagram. When you find Instagram now right here, or what you wanna do is force stop the app and then click on data usage, and right here disable the roaming data and the background data, and make sure that the Wi-Fi and the mobile data are enabled. Go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 1 minute exactly and disable it, and now restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.